Hi guys, this is Prateek and today we are going to learn how to solve the first step of the third layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So this is my 3x3 Rubik's Cube and the bottom layer is white. So the first step for solving the top layer, so my bottom two layers are solved, completely solved. Now to solve the third layer, the first step is to create a plus or cross of yellow. So whatever color you have, whatever center color you have on the top, make a white cross of that. So in my case it is yellow, so I will be making a white cross of yellow color. So while solving it, before solving it, we need to look at this cross first. So it might be possible you only have one white or one yellow center piece on top and no edge pieces have a yellow in it. It might be possible that you have only one yellow on the top side. It can be 2 or it can be 3 or 4 might be solved. So right now 2 are solved. So what we will do is we will keep the solved part away from us like this and do F R U R prime U prime and F prime. This was F prime. This is F prime. Yeah, this is F prime. Right? So what we have got? We have got a straight line of yellow color. Now again we'll hold the cube in a way that our F move doesn't mix this yellow line. So either you can hold the cube like this and do a F, or hold the cube like this and do a F. But if you hold it like this, this is mixing your yellow, so that yellow line will be gone. So you have to hold the cube in a way that the F move doesn't take away this white line or the yellow line. So I'll do F R U R prime U prime and F prime. So see this, we have got a cross of yellow color in the first step itself. So it might be possible that you will be able to make this cross in one step. It might take 2 and maximum it will take 3 steps. So we'll try it once again. F R, so I'm doing F, then R, then U, R prime, U prime and F prime. So we will reach this stage where only 2 are solved, and when 2 are solved we just have to do F R U R prime U prime and F prime. So see, in this case you only have a line and these two edges are not solved. So again we'll hold it like this, F R U R prime U prime and F prime, and the plus is solved. So one case might be this also, you have this straight line and these two. So always look at the cross. What part of cross is solved, and we don't need to touch the solved part. So I will use this as my front side and do the F R U R. move. So this is one case where you will have only one yellow on the top. In this case, start from any side. You can start from this one or this one or this one. Always keep the white and white at bottom and do F, R, U, R prime, U prime and F prime. So again we have reached that stage where L shape is there. And after that F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. We have reached this straight line and then F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So we got the yellow cross on top. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you.